This Chandler home in Fulton Ranch is the epitome of lock and leave single story living. Let's head inside and check it out. Wait till you see the back patio. It is super easy, low maintenance. Let's head inside. All right, first thing that always catches my eye in these beautiful neighborhoods, Fulton Ranch in particular, is just these driveways, these paver driveways. I don't know why. I love it. It just looks really elegant. You can see just pristine manicured lawns. That's what Ocotillo, Fulton Ranch, this South Chandler area is known for. Again, super manicured and taken care of. So, got nice garage over here. Paint looks awesome. A little bit of a Tuscan style. You're gonna hear that in the music coming up, which I actually loved. Um, take my shoes off here so that I can walk on this wood floor. Yes, I wore sandals today because it's hot out. It's Arizona. But again, if you listen to that music, we got a little like Italian Riviera. That might be Santorini on the video. Anyhow, you got a half bath here, totally normal. The laundry room is totally opposite all the bedrooms, which might be interesting. I would have loved to see that on the other side of the house, but I'm not going to get super nitpicky. This is a huge room. This is, you can tell just by the space and the size that this could have been a third car garage. Just pull right in through that window. There's the driveway out there. Clearly, these guys made it another room. You could always make it, go back to a garage if you wanted to. There is AC though, which is awesome. So regardless, that'd be a good thing. I've seen a lot of people put mini split AC systems in garages now, especially if they have like a Tesla or electric car, because the battery just takes forever to um, refill if it's too hot. Again, love these floors. Really tall ceilings here. I mean, I can't even touch the top of this door. I don't know. That's probably, let's call it at least an 8-foot door then. So then we're looking at 9.5, 10-foot ceilings. This is the primary suite, tons of natural light, just really well taken care of. You can just tell pride of ownership here in this home. All original looks like from when it was built, I've got to assume, based on the fit and finish, but again, really well taken care of. You've got private toilet room, as you'd expect, and then built-ins here. Can someone explain to me why you save luxury bags like that and put them in closets? Let me know in the comments. All right, you got split sinks, the makeup counter, which I'm sure folks love. And something I noticed on this one, it doesn't have a exit to the backyard, which a lot of homes do. That said, is I would also love to see in the comments if anyone actually uses those doors to their backyard. Maybe I could see it if you have a hot tub or something like that, but otherwise, I don't know if people are actually using it. So hang with me until we get to the backyard. I do want to show you that because again, it's super low maintenance. This is a French door here, if you can tell. So it's set up as a den, no closet. So technically not a bedroom, but there is a bed in it. And then you've got another bathroom here. One of the things I like, and I always point out, especially to families, is there's this door right here to block off the toilet room shower area. So especially like a family like mine, I've got 4 kids, 2 boys, 2 girls. So the boys can be, brushing their teeth, doing their thing, and one of the girls can be in there taking a shower, and they're not blocking up the whole bathroom. This I love. This is a huge pantry. I would almost wish that the laundry room was right here because you've got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms kind of right on this corner. And then you've got the garage right out here. So this could be kind of a small mudroom, wash laundry room area. This one does have a really big closet, which is great. I wonder if behind that wall is the laundry room. It's got to be, right? So, yeah, you could actually, if you didn't want that big of a closet, which I mean, you probably need a closet, but anyhow, I'm just thinking out loud. You could blow that wall out and make a nice laundry room there. But again, you already have one on the other side of the house, so that's your choice. All right, heading into the kitchen. Nice, beautiful kitchen. This I love this cabinet space. This countertop here is huge. I could definitely see like hors d'oeuvres and parties set up right there. That's for sure where my wife would do it. And then here we go. So again, original style granite. It's not like the white quartz or anything right now, but nothing's wrong with it. It's all in really good shape. Got crown molding just to add a little extra flair. And then got your cabinets, not soft close on this one, but again, in really good shape. This is fun. That's a good feature. Nice setup here. And then if we head outside, I will show you easy maintenance. So this backyard's not going to appeal to everybody. You've got awesome travertine throughout, tons of travertine. So if entertaining maybe adults is your thing, then this is it. You've got this nice fireplace that looks, yeah, it's gas. I was gonna say it looked wood, but no, it's gas. You got another gas thing over here. So this is a winter entertainment home is the vibe that I get. Tons of travertine out here. Yeah, I can definitely picture having some parties. Got your grill there, of course, and then head back inside. So that said, if you have specific questions on this home or want to tour it, make sure to DM, comment, or text me the word move me 480-448-2020. Again, 480-448-2020. And I can get you more of those details. Hey, if you're just starting your home search and don't really know where you want to buy in either South Chandler or South Tempe, then make sure to get my guide. There's actually a quiz for you to take to help guide you and direct you to a neighborhood that makes sense. Maybe it's waterfront living, golf courses, HOA neighborhoods, gated communities. Maybe it's horse property. Who knows what it is, but bottom line is if you are shopping in the luxury market in South Chandler, South Tempe, make sure to head to 8448luxury.com and I'll guide you through the process.